Hello everyone! Welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today, we're drawing one of the funniest and most unforgettable animated characters ever created. Scrat from Ice Age. Scrat is famous for his endless chase after his precious Acorn. His exaggerated expressions, huge eyes, oversized teeth, and fluffy tail make him a fantastic character to draw while improving your cartoon art skills. Let's begin by lightly sketching the overall shape of the head. Start with simple curves and don't press too hard with your pencil. These guidelines help keep the proportions correct and can easily be erased later. Next, we'll draw Scrat's large round eyes. They are one of his most recognizable features and give him his hilarious, surprised expression. After that, sketch the long snout and the famous oversized nose. Now let's add his giant saber-like teeth. Keep them long, sharp, and symmetrical. Then draw the open mouth and tiny tongue to complete Scrat's funny facial expression. Once the head is complete, we can move on to the upper body. Draw his furry chest using small jagged strokes instead of straight lines. This instantly creates a soft fur texture. Next, sketch Scrat's tiny arms wrapped tightly around his precious Acorn. The Acorn is almost as important as Scrat himself, so spend a little extra time making its shape look clean and balanced. Now draw the body and legs. Notice that Scrat has a slim body with long back legs that help him leap and run. Use smooth curves for the body and finish with his sharp little claws. Finally, add Scrat's enormous fluffy tail. This is one of the biggest parts of his design. Add the signature dark stripes to make it instantly recognizable. After completing the sketch, erase all unnecessary construction lines before outlining everything. With a black fineliner, clean, confident lines will make your drawing look polished and professional. If you'd like to color your artwork later, use light brown for the body, cream for the belly, darker brown for the stripes and tail. Cartoon characters like Scrat are excellent for practicing expressions, proportions, and line confidence. Even if your first attempt isn't perfect, every drawing helps you improve. Let me know in the comments which Ice Age character you'd like to see next. Maybe Sid, Manny, Diego, Buck, or Baby Peaches. I'd love to create more tutorials based on your suggestions. If this tutorial helped you learn something new, please leave a like and share it with your friends who enjoy drawing cartoons. Every bit of support helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to Hobbyist Artist and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new drawing tutorial. New videos featuring cartoons, anime, superheroes, movie characters, and realistic portraits are uploaded regularly. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep improving. And most importantly, have fun creating art. I'll see you in the next drawing tutorial. Happy drawing!